Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC for sale. I'm going to do a quick video walk-around tour, show you some of the features of this vehicle. And if you have any questions or want to find out any additional information about this GLC 300, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So this comes in a gray exterior. We've got a black interior. This nice wood grain accent trim throughout the vehicle. We've also got the premium Burmester sound system upgraded speaker system. Sunroof. Go ahead and hop inside. So we have a push button ignition. Mileage is just over 10,000 on this currently. You got another look here at our steering wheel. Here we have our touchscreen display. It's currently showing navigation, radio, and a backup camera. Of course, you can control this using the touchscreen itself. For example, change the ambient lighting throughout the vehicle. You can easily do that here. You also have controls here right on your steering wheel, so easy to make those changes as well. And you have another set of controls on this touchpad here in your center console. While we're here, you also have your dynamic select switch, so you'll switch between your different sport modes, which will affect how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. We also have your volume controls. You can turn on and off your display there. You'd also have different parking camera options. Pretty cool. Lots of different ways you can make sure that you're parking safely. My personal favorite is this above view. Super helpful. Anyway, underneath our display we've got climate controls here. You got some buttons here to access some of the different functions on the display. Such as like vehicle settings and whatnot. And we have our Mercedes-Benz shifter. Okay. So hop out, show you the rear seats here next. Another look at the sunroof, both front and rear. Quick peek back up front. Alright, now coming around to the back of the vehicle, we have our GLC 300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk. Lots of trunk space back here for you. And you can easily flip these switches here, and that'll fold those rear seats down in case you need a little extra storage. And push button to close. So if you're interested in learning more about this 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.